Hey guys, what's going on? It's Chris from Dreamedia Home Theater, and today's episode we're going to be showing you how to assemble a 160-inch 240 ultra-wide type screen, right? This is a Studio Tech 130 with the Wallscreen Deluxe. It has the fatter border. It does give you that more stately appearance, but we're going to show you guys how to do it. It comes in 2 boxes, so this is a pretty involved job. Anyone can do it themselves. I'm just going to show you guys a quick little follow-on and how to do it. So if that interests you, make sure you stick around right after the intro. Well, all right guys, so the first step into doing this is a 168 diagonal. So if you look from here all the way over here, this is 168 inches diagonal. This is a 240 screen. This is the Wallscreen Deluxe, 3.25 inch border. So it has the felt border all the way around, gives you that nice stately type of appearance. So this thing is aces. So we've just test fitted it right now, but I wanted to jump in and let you know how to assemble this thing. So it's very simple. So it's just, this thing comes in 2 pieces. So think about how you have 2 boxes. It's going to come in 2 pieces. So the frame's going to come in one, the screen's going to come in the other one proper, and it's just easy. So let's just show you this right here. We've got big old screws right here that you're just going to join. Big old bolts right there, just going to join it. And then this gets joined right there in the center, right over here. And then this one gets joined in the center, right over here. They're numbered 5, 5, and then you just link them up. It's not like it's anything rocket science. These right here are the support bars. Since this one is so massive, lost it. Since this one is so massive, you need internal bracing. So that's what this is for right here. These aren't necessarily supposed to be there before you put the screen down. We just wanted to test fit it, and we didn't want it to flex or anything like that. So that's why we put it on there whenever we did it. So very, very simple there. Really, really easy just to put that part on. This takes a little more time for sure. This is a lot more involved. So these are very wide mounting bars that I would highly recommend that you go into studs with these for sure. I would not recommend using drywall anchors as your main securing source for these things. Kid decides to hang on or something, the entire thing's coming down, and then it just goes right on top of them. And then that's about it. So now what we're at is we've already mounted it, and we've made sure that it is the proper height for the customer. Now what we're gonna be doing is wrapping the material with fabric, and then it should be done. We're just gonna throw it up there, and that's it.
My house has like...
Ooh, that's crispy.
Did you want to adjust the bars or no?
That is crispy.
Well, yeah, let's just get...
We're going handheld with this one, guys. So check it out. We got the screen in there. This is the easiest screen to put together if you guys have ever done it before. Like I've said a million times already, this is a Stewart Studio Tech Wallscreen Deluxe. Studio Tech 130 Wallscreen Deluxe. The original, not the 2.5. Either ways though, I like how the buttons, they're in the exact same spot. You don't have to hunt for them. You don't have to spread them out. You don't have to, make sure that they're cinched up. Each and every single one of these has a space. All this stuff has been thought out, and it just makes it so much easier. So once you get the fabric in, you get the bars in there as well. Now you're done, and then it's just time to hang it. So let's get into that right now. Got it? Okay.
So this is where we need to be super careful, make sure that we are not dropping it down prematurely. So we're gonna go up nice and even. Anything you notice before we put this up? I think it looks nice and tight.
Looks kind of small.
Yeah. No thanks. This is amazing.
It's gonna look perfect once the sound treatments are in here.
I actually wish I had this screen instead of my current one, like size-wise. Just a touch smaller. I went too big.
Really?
You hooked?
Yeah, just at home.
Okay, but now I think.
My line is about a ½ inch off, so it's got to go this way.
Yes, that's what I was gonna say.
Nailed it.
Yeah.
Look at the smile on your face. Ooh. That looks good. That looks all right. Well, all right, guys, I think that's going to be it for the install of the Stewart Wallscreen Deluxe. This thing was a breeze to set up. You know, once we got everything out of the box, it just went together very, very quickly. The only other thing that I would probably mention is that whenever you go with something this big, you're going to have some magnets on the bottom that will help cinch the bottom to the actual wall itself. Because let's face it, whenever you have something this big, it's very rare to have your wall 100% true, 100% straight, whether it be top and bottom or left and right. There could be waves in it and stuff, something like that. Completely defeats the purpose of getting a screen in the first place, but once you put a screen on there and it's sucked to the wall with those magnets and also the mounts on top, makes all the difference. 100% true every single time. You don't have to worry about it. You don't have to worry about any flex or anything like that. If you ever have to take it down and service behind it, which in this case, I don't think we're gonna have to, but take that stuff into consideration. These screens are the price the way they are for a reason. You're not getting these fly-by-night companies that you're really, really saving on the build quality. This is some pro level stuff. So I can't wait to fire the projector up. We're gonna get into that in just a minute, but I wanna wrap this video up, bring you guys along, show you the journey. If you would like to purchase any of this stuff, make sure you reach out and show support. We'd be happy to help. Leave our information right down here as well as in the description. That's all I got. Catch you next time.
Oh my gosh, is that the Dreamedia van in my neighborhood? What? Wait, Dreamedia, come back!